This video tutorial explains the image overlay function of the Movnorm series monitors. This function can only be enabled after the U-Disk is connected to the monitor. The U-Disk must be USB 2.0 64 GB or less, and the file system format must be FAT32 or FAT. Tap the screen to call up the menu, click Functions, swipe the menu to the left, and click the Image Overlay function. Click Image Overlay. Enter the gallery, select the picture you want to overlay, and you can perform a semi-transparent image overlay comparison on the real-time picture. Note, the picture imported into the U-Disk must be less than 1 MB with a resolution of 1920*1080 and AJPG format file. Otherwise, it will cause problems such as not filling the screen, overflow, and no display. You can also get pictures through the image acquisition function, and these pictures will be automatically transcoded to meet the requirements. The above is a complete introduction to the image overlay functions of the Movnorm series monitors.